Stop grinding. AI App Alchemy is changing the game for creators everywhere. Is it really worth the hype? Most AI tools are clunky, overpriced, and require a coding degree. You're wasting hours on manual tasks that should be automated. Traditional development vs AI App Alchemy. See the difference for yourself. Imagine building fully functional, custom AI applications in minutes, not months. The future of software is finally here. The engine under the hood is pure brilliance, handling everything from UI design to backend logic automatically. Performance metrics are off the charts. We are talking 99% faster deployment across all platforms. It is simple. Just load the prompt, hit generate, and watch as your vision comes to life instantly. Step 1. Define your niche. The AI handles the architecture. Step 2. Choose your design aesthetic from our library. Step 3. Watch the AI write clean, production-ready code. Built for speed. Built for scale. No more hiring expensive developers. Your MVP is ready in hours, not months. Perfect for SaaS founders and solopreneurs. Responsive design. Included automatically. Integrated database management. Deploy to the cloud with one click. Join thousands of successful creators. Stop dreaming, start building. The price is going up soon. Don't miss the early bird launch. Limited spots available. Everything you need in one dashboard. Get the competitive advantage today. Don't get left behind while others build their empires. Grab the link in the description to start now. AI App Alchemy. Your future starts at the link in the description. Don't wait. Click the link before the offer expires. See you on the inside.